$50 is not so small for you. This video is for you. Make sure you send to the video because I'll be showing you how you can get $50 and also get cash back for yourself if you spend on this website I'm about to show you. So let's get to the video. And this is how you can earn. So just get your referral link. Let me just show you. Refer friends you know. Send your referral link to your friends. They join and spend 50 USD. Qualified purchase must be made within 90 days of joining and total 50 USD. You get 50 USD bonus are unlimited. So keep on referring. So that's very easy to earn 50 USD on Rakuten. 20% cashback on Massing, 11 cashback on Target, 17 on Nike, Ultra Beauty, 12%. So and get over 10% cashback for the first 7 days. This is very simple to earn, and as you all see, this is the website, which is Rakuten. They are reliable because they are the ones that sponsor Bakada. They are collaborating with Baka, so it's very easy to earn on the platform. Very easy to earn cashback, which is, as you can see, 10% cashback, 24% cashback, $24 cashback, and $42 cashback. You can earn on the platform very easy. But what do you need to register? What do you need to do to get the cashback for yourself? So this is how it works. Sign up for free, browse retailers via Rakuten, click through and shop normally, cashback track automatically, payout sent quarterly, and this is how you can. These are the this cashback explained. Rate is 1 to 20 depending on the store and promotion. Payout via PayPal or checks, 30 USD sign up bonus for new user after first purchase, and typical earning occasional shopper 10 to 30 per month. You can earn more than that. This is just average, and frequent online shopper 100 plus per year. So this is how you can withdraw cashback confirmation. After you chop through Rakuten, cashback is tracked and added to your account. It may take days or weeks for the store to confirm purchase. Quarter payout. Rakuten pays out every 3 months quarterly. This price is called big fat check, and withdraw option. PayPal, link your PayPal account to your Rakuten and receive funds directly. Checks. Rakuten can make a physical check to your registered mail. And minimum requirement, you must have at least 5 years in is confirmed cashback to receive payout. So very easy. Log into your Rakuten and let me show you what you got there. So you've paid over 4.6 billion in cashback. That is massive. I've not seen website that paid over 4.6 billion in cashback. And this is how you can register with them. Click on the sign in button, input your mail and your password if you already have account, and you don't have account, click on and before we continue to the next part, go to my, if you are a new subscriber, make sure you subscribe. And before we continue, please go to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you are old subscriber, share to your friends and family for them to subscribe as well. So you have to subscribe to my channel because I really need subs and engagement on my channel for me to keep doing this video for you guys. So let's go back. So as you see, this line, referral bonus, earn about 50 USD for each friend who join and shop. So this is how Rakuten works. So simple sign up for free. I think I've done this for you. How you can earn? You can earn through sign up bonus. You can earn through cashback. And you can earn through referral program, which is referral bonus. So what next? I'll be showing you how you can get your referral code and share to your friends and family for you to earn on the platform. As you all can see, I've logged into my Rakuten page. So I'll just open the account now. So this is how you can earn on the platform: extra cashback, all deal in store, travel, tax. So this is what you can also earn, refer and earn 50 USD plus. So email your friend email, set invite. You can just send your invite to your friends and family for them to get their for them to get your referral code, or copy your referral link and share it with them. So give me unlimited 50 bonus. Refer everyone, refer everyone you know. So refer everyone you know, send your referral link to them. You join and spend 50 USD. Qualifying purchase must be made within 90 days of joining and total USD, you get 50 USD. Bonus are unlimited, so keep on referring. $50 for free on Rakuten if you refer your friend and they spend $50. So as you can see, it's very easy to earn on Rakuten.